So one important feature of Pi that I wanted to point out is the Pi Edge Data Store, also known as EDS. And what that is it's a data collection and storage application that is built to handle data at the edge of networks. What I mean by that is it's essentially a lightweight and basic historian that runs on small or rugged devices that otherwise might be hard to access and might be difficult to incorporate normally into your main Pi server. So really the bottom line is that you can use the Pi Edge data store in harsh environments where deploying a full Pi system with on-premise Pi server components might be impractical, because sometimes these edge environments are beyond the reach of automation systems, or they might have unreliable network conditions, or sit in environments that are too rough for traditional computers, right? So that's where you would use the Pi Edge data store. And the Pi Edge data store is well suited for these harsh environments because it requires minimal installation and administration, and it's designed specifically for resilience to handle those environments. So the diagram that you see here kind of conceptually shows how the Pi Edge data store captures data and sends it to permanent storage in the main Pi server. It's a similar concept to the historian store it forward concept, right? Where the Edge data store collects data using either Modbus TCP, OPC UA, or OMF, which stands for OSI Soft Message Format. These are just some examples, right? As well as the REST API. Those are all data sources that feed the Edge data store, where the Edge data store will store that data locally and temporarily, and then it will then send it to permanent storage in the main Pi server when it can. By the way, the Edge data store runs on Linux as well as Windows, so that expands the set of edge devices that are that can function with the Edge data store.